Okay, so this is my everyday makeup bag. It's just like your basic size. It is jam-packed, so let's see what I have in there. So this is my daily go-to. So this is Laura Mercier powder in translucent. Milani Berry Amore Baked Blush. I actually have that on right now. I have the powder on too. And then this is my go-to contour powder kit. You can see it's very well used. And this is Anastasia Beverly Hills in light to medium. e.l.f. setting spray. This is really good setting spray and a great value. I have a Laura Geller eyeshadow palette. This one is the Cinnamon and Spice one on, and this one on right now. Okay, I like the sparkles too. And this is Laura Geller Baked Balance and Brighten in Light, and this is a powder foundation, and I actually have the bareMinerals tinted moisturizer on, but I put the Baked and Balanced right in through here. Of course, I have in here a kabuki brush. This is the King Mass kabuki brush. It's one of my favorite brushes. bareMinerals tinted moisturizer, Complexion Rescue, and this color is Cashew. I also like the color Vanilla for winter. Winter is coming. Okay. Wet n Wild Photo Focus Matte. It's a great when you really want to stay matte all day. Anastasia Beverly Hills Sharpener. Gotta have one of those. Dior Show Waterproof Black Mascara. Magnetic eyelashes. I keep this in here. It's the magnetic eyeliner. And that one is in black. I have a clear one too. And then this is Thrive Cosmetics Eye Brightener. And this one is the color Cali. Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Gel. Dior Show 24-Hour Stylo Eyeliner in black. Bobbi Brown, and this one is in Moonstone. This is one of my favorite Bobbi Browns. And then Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is the eyebrow, and it's got the eyebrow on one side and then the little brush on the other. I really love this. And then Thrive Cosmetics eyeliner, and this is brown, the color brown. Their color brown is called Ella, and it has a sponge tip on the top, so you can blend it, and it also has a sharpener inside there. And then this is one of my new tries. This is one of those fork eyebrow pencils. It's got the little edge so you can make little lines that look like hair, and it's waterproof. Brown, and this one is golden amber. It's got some sparkle metallic. And this is Lancome lip color, and that's actually the color I have on right now in Rose Petal. It's very smooth and creamy. Styla waterproof gel eyeliner. And this one is e.l.f. brow gel, and if you take a look at it, okay, and it acts kind of as a wax and a gel at the same time. Nomad highlighter, sparkles, and the color is it's called Kiss of Sun highlighter, and this is Balmoral Peach. It's hard to find it. It sells out all the time. Shiny. This is a Best Taupe brush, and this is what I use for concealer. Eyeshadow brush by Shany. It concealer, the coverage under the eyes. And then this is a brand new product. I actually just threw it in my bag. I haven't tried it yet. It's the Tarte Park Avenue Princess Bronzer. Maybe I can try some of that, see what it does. Okay, a little bit of bronzer. Oh, I like that. I like that. Okay. And this all fits in this bag. Can you believe it? It's crazy. Okay. And then I've got the Urban Decay primer for eyeshadow. And this is one of my new favorites. I just tried the Wet n Wild dual ended. It's got the highlighter or the highlighter and the contour on each side, and I've got that here for the highlighter and then the contour along the edge. Tarte Fake Awake, and I've got that on the waterline. It's really great for traveling to keep those eyes looking awake. And then this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss. Put some on there. I like that it isn't sticky at all. And this one is clear, moisturizing. And then this e.l.f. lip plumping gloss is one of my new tries in the last couple months, and I definitely like it. So that is everything in my bag. Can you believe I can fit all that in there? It's kind of crazy.